Hi, Joe.
Hey, Terry.
How are you doing today?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing well. I'm doing well. So what's going on with Miss Gracie?
Well, I wanted to check in because she started going outside and she has spent most of her time inside.
Right.
And I'm a little concerned because she doesn't have that much experience being on the outside if she knows how to handle herself. Because we have cars and we have foxes and I've seen some deer back there, but they're okay. Raccoons, there's a lot of wildlife out there and cars. So I just want to check in with her and see if she feels comfortable or if there's anything I need to do for her.
Okay, how old is Gracie?
She's about 7.
Okay, and she hasn't gone out before this?
No.
Okay. What's leading you to let her out more?
She's begging. And she loves the weather, and she sees chipmunks out there, and she just seems like she's unhappy being inside all the time.
Okay. Okay. It's just so scary, when you have a cat who's used to being indoors.
Right.
And then letting them out in this kind of an environment.
Right. And I go out with her as much as I can. So it's not like I'm very far.
Right. Right.
But if she doesn't come in at some point when I call her, then I might wonder.
Sure. Sure. Okay. Let's. So how long has she been going out?
Oh, it's been a few months now, really. So.
Okay. All right. Let's see what she has to say for herself. So I'd like you to you remember the routine. Just get settled and comfortable. Shift on over to an open, relaxed, meditative state. I'll do the same. So visualize Gracie in your mind's eye. Call her silently 3 times. I'm introducing myself to her. Remind her who I am. She says, "Oh yeah, I know you." We've talked before, obviously. So she's very happy going out. Unfortunately for you, she's very happy going out. She says it was scary at first, but I get the image, the picture from her. She kind of like sometimes slinks along the side of the house. Really like surveying the territory, surveying the area. She's very alert. She's very tuned in.
Yes.
She says she knows where all the scary ones are.
And who would they be?
She's showing me the image of a fox. It's she's showing me these big eyes and a long pointy nose.
Oh boy.
She doesn't call it fox. That's she just
the big scary red thing.
The big scary red thing, right? With the big long nose. They talk to each other, and she says she knows. She's not using these words, but the sense that I'm getting is she understands the predator-prey game. And she's not making herself prey.
Good. She's
not challenging anybody. She knows when to stay still, she says. A lot of things will frighten her, but she goes still instead of running.
Okay.
Which I think is unusual, but that's what she does, and I think that's the way that she knows to keep herself safe.
So almost like she plays possum.
Yeah. Well,
that's good.
Yeah. So what I would do is I would just remind her that give her the visual image of like staying close to the house. Along with the feeling of safety, staying safe. They communicate in images and feelings.
Right.
Last thing they do is the words. The last thing that they understand is the words, or respond to is the words. So send her the image of staying close to the house and playing possum, and the feeling of safety.
Okay.
And that you two are so connected. If she's in trouble, you're going to feel it.
Right.
And I can feel the connection between the two of you.
Oh, yeah. It's pretty strong.
Yeah, it is. It is. So that's it, and I would just kind of bless her every morning.
That I do. Anytime I let her out,
yeah.
I always ask the angels to go with her and surround her in light. So and sometimes when I send out like a worried thought, it's like the thought instantly is in my head, Joanne, she's fine. Just let go.
Yeah. That's a big lesson for you.
It is.
It is a big lesson for you. She's being a wonderful teacher.
Yes, she is. In so many ways.
Yes. Right.
All right. Well, that's very helpful. I really appreciate that.
You're very welcome. You're very welcome. Glad I could help.